Hello and welcome class 8 students. Today we will start from the topic flame. So first of all, what is a flame? Flame can be defined as the region in which combustion of fuel takes place. Okay. Here you can see variation in the color, different colored flames of a Bunsen burner. Or in other words, a flame is the shining zone in which a combustible gaseous material or substance undergoes combustion and produce heat and light. So this is the shining zone. So for example, when we light a matchstick, it burns with a yellow flame. The flame produced by burning LPG is blue. Again, the flame produced by kerosene lamp, it would be yellow and smoky. But when the kerosene is burnt in a stove, then the flame is blue and smokeless. Therefore, we can come to a conclusion that all gaseous combustible substances burn with a flame. Then liquid combustible fuels also burn with a flame. And solid combustible substances, when burned at low temperature, do not give a flame. However, at higher temperature, when solid combustible material vaporize like wax, they also burn with a flame. Thus, only those solid and liquid fuels which vaporize on heating burn with a flame. Here in this photograph we can see different flame types emerging from a Bunsen burner, and because of these different colors are due to the difference in flow of air through the holes, that is holes on the side of the Bunsen burner. Number 1, air holes completely closed, which is safety flame. Number 2, air holes half open. Number 3, air holes nearly fully open. And number 4, air holes fully open. It is the roaring blue flame. So you can see there are different colors of flame depending on the flow of air through the throat holes of the burner. Therefore, we can say that color of the flame depends on the following parameter. First, nature of the substance that is burning. Second, amount of air available or oxygen available in air, and temperature. A blue flame is also called a non-luminous flame, as complete combustion takes place in this zone, thus emitting very little light. Okay, so this occurs when the availability of oxygen is more. As you know, a combustible substance undergo complete combustion if there is sufficient supply of oxygen in air. In this case, the flame is blue in color, and such type of flame is called a non-luminous flame. Whereas a yellow flame is called a luminous flame because incomplete combustion takes place in this zone. This occurs when availability of oxygen is very less. In this diagram you can see from the supply of least oxygen to supply of most oxygen, there are the variation in the color of the flame of a Bunsen burner, which are showing from luminous flame to non-luminous flame. So students, please write down the definitions, following definitions. Flame is the shining zone where combustion of fuel takes place, producing heat and light. Number 2, luminous flame. A yellow colored flame which produces more light and heat is a luminous flame. Usually it is produced due to incomplete combustion of the fuel. Number 3, non-luminous flame. A blue colored flame which produces very little light and heat is called a non-luminous flame. It is produced when there is complete combustion of the fuel. Now it is the time for your homework. Please write down your homework. Today you have to draw, color and neatly label the different parts in the structure of a candle flame. You can do it from your textbook, and please do it on the white page or in your practical file. That's all for today's class. Meet you in the next class. Take care till then.